guys, this is Alex here. Today I'll be taking a shower with the AirPods Pro. These guys are said to be IPX4. I was about to say IP68, but these guys are IPX4. You know, last year Apple did put IP, I think it was 68 on their AirPods. You know, that's a rating. And now I'm gonna test these out to see if they're actually waterproof. Okay guys, now let me do the sound test so you guys know that these are not fake AirPods. Now this is just so that if the AirPods break after, you guys know that there's no music playing, right? And that these actually work. Let me just take this up here. That's the right side. Now let me take this one in and play the left side. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Now let's take a shower with the AirPods. You ready? Alright, let's do this. Oh god. Okay. Okay. They're still playing. They're still playing. IPX4 is coming in. The sound, it sounds scuffed. Like when you put a phone in water, the sound it makes, like the quality, you can hear it, but the quality is bad. That's what the sound is. Oh, the water's hot. Yeah, when you put it in the water, you hear static. But the music is still playing, obviously. Alright guys, now we're just gonna do a handed-on AirPod. See, that's the left side getting wet. And then this is the right side. The music is still playing, I can hear it, kind of. Wait, the music stopped. Okay, no, the music is still playing. No, yes, the music is still playing. It's just that it's very, very quiet. Alright guys, here are the AirPods. They're all wet. Now I'm just going to dry them off, and then after they're dried, I'm going to show you a little sound to see if they still work or not. Okay, now that they're dried off a little bit, take this towel, put it over here, and I'm gonna put one ear here and in the microphone to tell you guys that if it works. Okay, and it still works. I hear the music, but it's very faint. In my ear, the music is very faint. I don't know if that's my phone that it's slow, but like it's very faint. Like when you put a phone underwater, and it like just the sound gets scuffed. Alright guys, now this is the left side. So yeah, basically both sides work, but they do sound scuffed. They do sound very faint. Like look, the right side again. I don't think you can hear because it's so faint. Like when the shower was running, I wasn't able to hear it. And then this is the left side. It's really faint. Although I think that's just the volume of my phone. I don't know. No, it's still faint, and I'm trying to put up the volume. When the noise cancellation, when like I had one side in, it was like bass boost, like it was going like that. I don't know what that was about, but I don't think the camera can pick it up, but inside the AirPod right there, I can see some water inside of it, like it's wet. I don't know what that is about. Alright, now I'm going to take off the pads here to just dry it off better. I'm going to just take this off a little bit. Alright, so that was the right side. Now I'm going to do the left side. It's very easy to take off these pads. I like how Apple did that where they just took it off. For me, it's kind of hard. Put it back on because I don't really use AirPods. Okay, there we go. Now it's on now. Okay, now the volume after I dried them off. Well, the volume sounds like it was normally, basically. Let me try the noise cancellation. I can't hear anything on the outside. Alright guys, these AirPods did pass the test. If you guys are not subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell notification. But if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, if these AirPods break because of water damage. I will put it in the comments saying that they did break because of water damage, because I have not used these at all when I bought them. Now, these guys basically passed the test. IPX4, 100% for me. 10 out of 10. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Alex, and peace out.